How to manage desktop notifications on Epic Games PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple and easy. Go to Epic Games, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to Unreal Engine, click on it and go down to settings right here. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do now is scroll down until you find the desktop notifications option, and right here you can manage your desktop notifications easily. But from here you can turn off and turn on wherever you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.